What's up, guys? If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are returning, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how I created this super smoky mauve eye look. We're starting off with our new Persuasion palette. We're just going to jump straight in. I've done my eyebrows and I have applied my base. If you are new to my channel, I always use the P.louise base in the shade 0. That is my go-to when it comes to setting a base or creating a base for my eyes. This new Persuasion palette is literally my favorite palette. It is so pigmented. The colors always show up for me, even though sometimes a lot of brown shades tend to oxidize on my eyes. So far, none of these shades have oxidized on my eyes each time that I use them, so she's a must, a definite must-have. But I did a video on her in one of my last videos, so I'll link that above and you can go check that out. If you're ever curious about what products I'm using in my videos, all the products will be linked in the description box. So this brown shade here that I use is perfect brown to create a smoky eye. It blended so nicely. So this is my base for the eye look. This was really the eye catcher of the look. So using that brown, or any brown that has kind of like a purple hue to it, or like a brownish purplish hue to it, will work. I also went into the my BPerfect palette. Again, it'll be linked down below. I don't remember which one this was, so I'll just link it down below. So then I go back and forth blending that mauve color into that brown just to give it more of a smoky look. So after that's all nice and blended to my liking, I go ahead and start cutting my crease. This is probably the first time that I cut my crease on camera, just because it takes so long to do, and I know it looks like I'm doing it really fast, but the video is sped up. I am going to do a beginner friendly look for one of my next videos. I know I've been saying that for a while, but I think I'm going to just do a beginner friendly series just so that all my beginners out there can really get some tips and tricks. I've been doing makeup for a while, since I was in middle school. I have, you know, a few tips and tricks up my sleeve that I can share with you guys. So I'm going to be doing a beginner friendly series, so definitely look out for that. So the trick to getting this like halo effect for this eye look, I went ahead and just took that nudish pink color and brought that down into where my crease was and blended that out into my inner corner, because I wanted it to be dark and then also lighter in the center. So I went in with this nude looking shade and I just applied that onto my cut crease and just blended that out and into the pinkish orange shade. I don't really know how to describe it, and just blended that into the shade in my inner corner, and then also out where the browns are. And I'm going to bring in that brown back into the look to give it more of a smoky look. I just took a thicker blending flat brush and settled that out so that it blended in nicely and smooth. Then I went back into my browns, that one brown shade that I mentioned before, and I just brought her back in just to make sure that this look stays smoky and it doesn't get overshadowed by the white shade. And doing this is going to allow for, like I said, just that smoky eye look that we're looking for, and it's just going to build up that outer corner. And then I'm just going to drag that shade all the way in. So I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. Everyone, I actually like how these lashes came out with this look, and so I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera and just fixed them up a little bit to try to make sure they looked even on both sides. I really like how this eye look came out, and as well as with the lashes. I think the lashes just brings the look all together. Y'all, I have to look into why every time I move out of frame in my camera it makes my face look red. I don't know if y'all noticed that in my last video, but I did when I went back and edited, and I was like, why does it keep doing that? Anyways, I don't know. Girl, you spend hundreds of dollars on a freaking camera and then gotta buy spend hundreds of dollars on a freaking camera and then gotta spend hundreds of more dollars on a better lens. I cannot. So I went in with my Too Faced primer, and then I go into my Estee Lauder. I think that's my Estee Lauder foundation. I think. Y'all, don't kill me. I know. All the products will be linked. So I just apply that foundation onto my entire skin. This, again, I've talked about this foundations in my previous video. This foundation gives you such a flawless skin like coverage. Yeah, so I went in with my Tarte concealer and I start to conceal my eyes. I do apply quite a bit of concealer because I want that full coverage look, and I know it is a trend to put the concealer in the inner corner and at the end. I don't like that trend. I feel like TikTok be lying to y'all saying that you're going to get fuller coverage with doing that, and if it works for you, then it works for you. But I'm going to stick to my way because, again, I like that fuller coverage look, especially in regards especially when I'm going to be taking pictures and filming a lot and I want my makeup to last all day. Anyways, so I go ahead and go into my beauty blender, and as you can see, there is makeup on my beauty blender. I apply concealer to my beauty blender before I blend it out, because 9 times out of 10 my beauty blender is going to be clean before I do my makeup. So this just gives me that extra coverage. I noticed that when I don't do this, it will rub off the makeup rather than setting the makeup into place. So doing this just gives me that extra surety that that makeup is going to set and press into my skin rather than just soaking into the beauty blender. Hopefully that makes sense to y'all. So I just blend that into my skin, and then I go ahead and go into my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is one of my faves, if not my favorite. I've been using this for years and it always gives me perfect, flawless skin like set and no flashback. So yeah, I just set that underneath my eyes first, just to make sure that I don't have any wrinkle lines underneath my eyes, and then I go in and set the rest of my cheeks. I haven't really been baking as often as I used to, so I am just going to let this bake onto my skin while I work on the rest of my face, and then press it in once that is set. Next, I use my Skin Like powder foundation from L'Oreal Infallibles. This is just going to add a little bit more warmth to my face. Make sure that I'm, not looking ashy out here and it's looking blended and like skin. So I just apply that I'll just apply that all over my face with my new Morphe brush. I love this brush so much because it really just sets the makeup into place. You can apply it. You can use this brush with anything. You can use it when you're setting your foundation, when you're setting your powders, when you're setting your bronzers, or just anything. It's just a perfect setting brush, and you can also use it to blend out the setting powder, but we're just not at that step yet. So then I go into my bronzer and I just bronze up my face again to give it that extra warmth and give my cheeks some chiseling. Chisel. And yeah, I'm just blending that out, pinching in my cheeks so that I can see the form shape of my cheeks. Doing this lets me know exactly where to apply that product. This, y'all, if y'all are curious, this is the makeup look that I did have on in my Shein haul that just went out. This look was perfect for all the looks. I felt like it was like subtle. You can really wear this look with any outfit, honestly. So yeah, I just go into my, so lately, y'all, I have been feeling smoky under eye no matter what look I do. So I just been really feeling the black eyeliner. I haven't really been doing it as often as I used to, but recently I have been loving the black eyeliner look, and so I just lined my eyes with the with this black eyeliner, and then I also went in and kind of created a lined the tip of my eye with this eyeliner versus using actual liquid eyeliner, just because I wanted it to be subtle, like a little bit. You can see in the inner, but it's not like super bold as it would be if I would be using liquid eyeliner. So if you guys ever want something that's just going to make your eyes pop a little bit and you don't want to use like the shimmer in the inner corner, which I love, don't get me wrong, shimmer in the inner corner will always be top tier. But if you just want to give it a little oomph, if you just want to give your eyes a little bit of an extra oomph without putting like glitter in the inner corner, doing this but with a pencil eyeliner works wonders. So yeah, I'm going now into my IOC Cosmetics blush, and I believe I used orange. I'm pretty sure I used orange. I didn't want to use pink because y'all know I'm really ish when it comes to pink blushes. For this look, I felt like it was a lot of pink in the look already, so I didn't want to bring out more pink with the blush. So I just went in and kind of warmed up my face a little bit with just tiny bit of blush. Tiny bit. So yeah, that is my blush. Y'all know me, I'm not really a blush girl. I like the cheeks to be chiseled and maybe a little bit of blush here and there. It really depends on the look, but for this one I wanted it to be super edgy, and I feel like blush kind of softens the look a little bit depending on how you do it. I just go ahead and line my lips with some brown lip liner, and then I go into my IOC pink. Wait, almost forgot elf. Then I go ahead and take my elf, I believe this is a liquid lipstick, and I don't really know what color shade this is, but again, it'll be linked down below. This is the elf. This is an elf liquid lipstick, and then this is just my foundation for my lipstick that I'm going to be applying. Then I go into my IOC Cosmetics liquid lip gloss, and I just apply that right onto my lips. This lip gloss reminds me of bubble gum. It's so freaking cute, y'all. But I just blended her out into the lips, because if you don't, you'll just have pink right in the middle, and nobody wants that. And I feel like it just came out so cute. My lips look scrumptious, okay? Scrumptious, like bubble gum with a little bit of brown sugar, you know? So as I was looking at my makeup, I noticed that my brows weren't giving the oof. So I just went in and I made sure to line the top a little bit more, just to make them look a little bit more bolder. And then I also go into my gel setting eyebrow gel from Benefit Cosmetics, and that's pretty much the look. I go ahead and draw in my mauves. Today I was feeling highlights. I don't know why, but highlighter was calling my name, and I wanted it to be subtle, but you know, just a little bit of shimmer and shine added to the look. So that's what I did. I went into my, like, don't even get me to lying because I don't remember which one this is. I was about to say L'Oreal, but I'm pretty sure it's not. So yeah, it'll be linked. I just wanted the extra little razzle dazzle, and that's exactly what I gave. I set my face and made sure to dry that. I need to get me a little handheld fan. Definitely, you know, that's on my Amazon cart. I need to get it. It's in my Amazon cart. It's been sitting there for a while. But yeah, this is the look, y'all. I loved it. This is how it came out in my bathroom lighting, and yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. I hope y'all liked it.